Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be reacting to, I don't know why I picked this video, but I don't know why, I just did. But it's it's called Battery Plug dot not cap. So we're gonna see what it's about and like, comment, subscribe.
You guys ever try to replace a battery and you get this little cover on here and you got this little thing right here? You might not know what it is. Most mechanics should know what it is, but let me tell you exactly what it's for. On each side of the battery, there's a hole here and here. That is a vent for the battery because with varying temperatures, it's going to increase the pressures inside the battery and it needs to vent to atmosphere. Well, in the car, in this BMW, they have this tube right here. The tube runs down to the floor and just vents to underneath the car. So that's going to get plugged in to the side of the battery right here. Well, what about this side? That side is going to need to be capped off. Hence this little guy right here. So you can just cut the tabs off or you can just rip it off on command. All right, now we're going to put this little guy, just shove it right in that hole. Give a little tap tap. Okay, now that side's plugged, this side will vent to atmosphere and you're all set.
Wow, this video is so gonna benefit my life. I don't know what's the point of that, but okay guys, I hope you guys like this video because I have nothing to say because it was so irrelevant. And yeah.